This is Somejit. Welcome to the course of Android app development provided by IT Tools and Training. So, in this particular tutorial, what I will give you is I'll give you the basic fundamentals about why you should approach Android and a few things related to Android app development. So, starting forward, the first thing any new by Android developer would really want to know is why I should go for Android. Because basically, if you are not clear about why you are approaching something, I believe that when and how becomes irrelevant. So just think about this thing. So basically, the first thing that we are gonna see is the chart. So this chart is giving you the basic fundamentals about how the OS mobile operating system are shared across worldwide. So if you see very clearly, it is mentioned over here that Android is having more potential share across the world. So it says that Android is having 86.2 percentage of devices are running in Android. After that 13% roundabout is for iOS, and Windows is really irrelevant now. So this graph shows you that if you are building some application in Android, basically you are targeting the most the significant amount of people throughout the world. So let's say you have built an application and you have built an application in Android, you can already target the most percentage of people across. So your targeted audience is much bigger compared to iOS or any other uh, you know OS. So after this, if that is not enough, then you go ahead and see this slide here. See, first thing first, if we are going to build any application in Android, it's not that we are only bound to build some mobile application or tab application. Nowadays Android TV is there, Android wearables are there, even Android Auto is there. I don't know if you know about Auto. So what Auto is generally, you have your car where you are gonna mount a device which is running into Android OS, and it will be connected to your Android mobile, which is which is having a OS which is above than Lollipop. And what will happen is, as and when you will go through, you will drive your car, your Android mobile will propagate every possible signal regarding maps to this Android device which is connected mounted over the car. So basically you will see all the details, right? That when you need to take a right curve, take a left curve, take a straight, go straight for something around 500 meters, 800 meters. So everything will be done by, everything will be said across to you, everything will be communicated across to you by your Android devices. So all these things are there. So it's not that you are only bound to build mobile application or tab application. You can go and you can do anything that you want with Android. And if that is not enough, you have a really good community in Android. It is open source, and you have a really cool language that is coming as Kotlin. So basically, if you start as an Android developer now, you have full-fledged opportunity to go ahead and build something meaningful, at the same time build something meaningful for your own purpose, or even society, or even anything that you target to. And on at the same time, you can bring everything that you have inside your mind to life, be it in mobile, be it in wearable, be it in TV, everywhere. So that's all for now. Let's see what we have in the next tutorial. The next tutorial will be mostly, I will give you an introduction regarding Android Studio, which will be the IDE that we will use throughout this course. So bye for now. See you soon.